Have you ever wondered why some family vehicles become legends while others disappear without anyone remembering them? What if I told you that one of the most practical, stylish, and surprisingly premium family vehicles on the market today is hiding in plain sight? A vehicle that combines futuristic technology, outstanding comfort, incredible space, and hybrid efficiency in a package that most people never expected to admire. Today, we're diving deep into the Honda Step WGN HEV in the stunning navy blue metallic color. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might completely change the way you think about family vans. Because this isn't just another people mover. This is a vehicle designed around real life. But what exactly makes it so special? And why are more and more people calling it one of Honda's smartest creations? Let's find out. The first thing that grabs your attention is the navy blue metallic paint. It's elegant, sophisticated, and incredibly premium looking. Unlike flashy colors that scream for attention, this deep metallic blue creates a refined presence that feels mature and luxurious. When sunlight hits the body panels, the metallic flakes create beautiful reflections that make the vehicle look far more expensive than many people would expect. At night, the color transforms into a darker and more mysterious shade, giving the Step WGN an executive appearance. It's the kind of color that never goes out of style. Now look at the overall design. Honda didn't try to make this vehicle look aggressive. Instead, they focused on something much smarter. Clean lines, strong proportions, excellent visibility, and a design that prioritizes functionality without sacrificing elegance. The front fascia features sleek LED headlights connected by a sophisticated grille design that gives the vehicle a modern identity. The large windshield improves visibility while creating a sense of openness inside the cabin. And here's something most people don't realize. Every design decision on the Step WGN serves a purpose. Nothing feels unnecessary. Nothing feels forced. Everything exists to improve the ownership experience. But wait until you see the interior. Because this is where things become really impressive. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by an environment that feels incredibly spacious and welcoming. Many SUVs claim to offer generous space. The Step WGN actually delivers it. The cabin feels open, airy, and thoughtfully designed from front to back. Large windows flood the interior with natural light, making every journey feel more comfortable and relaxing. The seating position is excellent. The visibility is outstanding, and the overall layout makes it easy for both drivers and passengers to feel comfortable immediately. But here's a question: how many vehicles genuinely make life easier for families? Not many. The Honda Step WGN was clearly designed by people who understand everyday challenges. School runs, shopping trips, family vacations, weekend adventures. Everything about this vehicle supports those activities. One of the biggest examples is the sliding rear doors. At first glance, they might seem like a simple feature. But once you experience them in daily life, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Imagine parking in a tight shopping center. A traditional door barely opens. Children struggle to get in and out. Passengers worry about hitting nearby vehicles. Now imagine pressing a button and watching the sliding door open smoothly without requiring extra space. Simple, convenient, brilliant. These small details make a huge difference. And Honda understands that better than most manufacturers. Moving further inside, the second row seating offers exceptional comfort. Passengers enjoy generous legroom, excellent headroom, and plenty of space to relax during long journeys. Even adults can sit comfortably for hours. Then there's the third row. This is where many competitors disappoint. Some vehicles advertise 7 or 8 seats but make the third row feel like punishment. The Step WGN takes a different approach. The rear seats remain genuinely usable. Adults can sit comfortably, children have room to move, and families can travel together without complaints. Now let's talk about versatility. Because flexibility is one of this vehicle's greatest strengths. Need maximum passenger capacity? No problem. Need extra cargo space? Easy. Need to transport luggage, bicycles, camping gear, or shopping items? The Step WGN adapts quickly. The seating configurations allow owners to transform the interior according to their needs. This flexibility turns the vehicle into much more than transportation. It becomes a tool for everyday life. But comfort and practicality alone aren't enough in today's market. Modern drivers expect advanced technology. And Honda delivers. The digital displays provide clear and useful information. The infotainment system keeps everyone connected. Smartphone integration makes navigation and entertainment effortless. USB charging ports help keep devices powered. and the user-friendly controls ensure that everything remains simple and intuitive. No unnecessary complexity, no confusing menus, just technology that works exactly the way it should. But now we reach one of the most important areas of any family vehicle. Safety. Because when you're carrying the people who matter most, nothing is more important. Honda has equipped the Step WGN with a wide range of advanced safety technologies designed to provide confidence behind the wheel. The vehicle continuously monitors its surroundings. It helps detect potential hazards. It assists the driver when necessary. And it works quietly in the background to make every journey safer. Features such as adaptive cruise control help maintain safe distances during highway driving. Lane keeping assistance helps prevent unintentional drifting. Collision mitigation systems add another layer of protection. And intelligent braking technologies can help reduce the risk of accidents. These systems don't replace the driver. They support the driver, and that extra support can make a significant difference. Now let's discuss performance. Because many people assume that large family vehicles feel slow and uninspiring. The Honda Step WGN challenges that assumption. Under the hood, the advanced eHEV hybrid system combines efficiency with smooth performance. Power delivery feels refined, acceleration feels responsive, and the hybrid technology operates so seamlessly that many drivers barely notice it working. The system intelligently switches between different operating modes to maximize efficiency and performance. This creates a driving experience that feels smooth, quiet, and surprisingly sophisticated. And here's where things get interesting. Fuel efficiency is becoming more important than ever. Nobody enjoys spending unnecessary money at the fuel station. The Step WGN's hybrid technology helps reduce fuel consumption without forcing drivers to compromise on practicality. You still get the space. You still get the comfort. You still get the versatility. But you also enjoy improved efficiency. That's a combination many families are searching for. And Honda delivers it exceptionally well. Out on the road, the driving experience remains remarkably composed. The steering feels light enough for city driving. Visibility remains excellent. Parking becomes easier thanks to the large glass area and smart camera systems. And despite its size, the vehicle feels manageable even in crowded urban environments. The suspension deserves special praise. Road imperfections are absorbed effectively. Passengers remain comfortable, and long journeys become less tiring. Whether you're driving through city streets or cruising on the highway, the Step WGN maintains a refined character that makes every trip more enjoyable. But here's the feature that often surprises people the most. The sense of calm inside the cabin. Honda engineers worked hard to reduce noise and vibration. The result is a cabin environment that feels peaceful and relaxing. Conversations become easier, music sounds better, and passengers arrive feeling less fatigued. For families who spend significant time on the road, this benefit cannot be overstated. Now imagine loading up the vehicle for a weekend getaway. Suitcases, backpacks, snacks, sports equipment, everything fits. Everyone has space, and nobody feels cramped. That's the magic of intelligent design. The Step WGN doesn't simply offer more room. It uses that room effectively. Every area feels purposeful. Every storage compartment feels useful. Every seat contributes to the overall practicality of the vehicle. And that practicality becomes even more valuable over time. The longer you own the vehicle, the more you appreciate the details. The easier loading, the comfortable seating, the flexible interior, the efficient hybrid system, the advanced safety technologies, the premium appearance, they all work together to create an ownership experience that feels genuinely satisfying. Which brings us back to the original question. Why are so many people becoming interested in the Honda Step WGN?